G'day, here's a few pieces of Nobby and perhaps some seam opal, lightning ridge with the mixed parcel, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. We'll get in a bit closer and have a look. Okay, just to have a quick look around, mostly blues, bit of greens there. Thin seam there. Whether it goes in I don't know. Been a honey potch. Sometimes you get what they call sun flash in it. Looks a little bit purple, but until you grind it down it's a bit hard to tell. That might be worth faceting if you facet. Just interesting little black and green there. Don't give that away just yet. Grind it around and have a look. Same with that piece. And there's a lot more to look through. That might just, it's got a little bit of eye colour just there. A few bits of crystal. Bits like that, it's just mostly clay. A piece like that still might make a doublet. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.